Or there is a temptation for people to keep posting their wins on social media na parang, oh, ito yung milestone ko. Nag 2 million subscribers ako, nagganyan ako. There's a temptation na laging yun ang ipopost, yung mga success lang ng success. Because, of course, we want to share yung mga milestones na yun with you. Lalo na for me, kasi most of those milestones kasama ko kayo. But I've learned over time din that I have some sort of responsibility on showing what happens behind the scenes. Yung struggles ko, gaano ako ka-imperfect, yung mga certain mistakes that I make, di ba? I try to be as human as possible. Tayo, alam natin kung pinagdadaanan natin eh. Alam natin yung struggles natin, yung mga thoughts sa head natin. Pero ang alam lang natin minsan sa ibang tao, lalo na kung hindi naman kayo close, syempre probably ang nakikita mo lang sa kanila, yung wins nila. Huwag natin tingnan na yung finished product niya na nakapost na, malayo compared dun sa pinanggagalingan ko. Kasi probably yung pinanggagalingan ko, pinanggalingan niya rin once, or even pinanggagalingan niya ngayon. Baka nagsisimula ka pa lang. So, be kind to yourself.